And you bring up some really valid points in there, and a couple of things that really perked my ears up when we were going through that was the apples to apples comparison and the maybe rating against an economy carrier versus a quality carrier, right? And that's something that you really have to look out at first. So let's say I walk in there, I'm Mr. 3PL, I comp against your direct rates, and I say, wow, guess what? I can save you 30% year over year in cost savings. Well, at first that sounds tremendous, but let's peel the layer of the onion back a little bit, and let's say no carrier is created equally. Depending on the type of freight you have and where you ship to, certain carriers are going to fit your mix better than others. And you might have gotten to a point while shipping direct where these carriers not only understand your business, they understand your customers and how to haul your freight effectively. Now enters the 3PL that says, hey, I'll save you 20 to 30%. Did they comp those off of what I would consider are your tier 2 or economy type carriers? And how is that going to impact your business? Yeah. Right? So that's something I think that is important to ask is, who are you comping these rates against, right? To use a crude analogy, if you have a Lexus over here and they comped you against a Toyota Yaris, you better be prepared to get used to driving that Toyota Yaris because it's not going to have the same features and the same get-go as that Lexus is. So you better be used to that transition. And while there's a cost savings from going from a Lexus to a Yaris, there's a lot you lose with that.
Yep.
And I think that's something that they don't look at first. They're just enamored by the cost savings, and they don't exactly go to the how are you going to achieve that cost savings. Yep.